Weather conditions. Apply TRM Flash Moisture Termite Barrier only in fair weather, with temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius, and rising. Clean all surfaces to remove debris, dust, and loose stones before application begins. Do not apply liquid adhesive or barrier to frozen concrete. Substrate must be dry for proper adhesion bond of both the overlay adhesive and TRM flash materials. Priming. The use of liquid adhesive will assist initial adhesion. Stir liquid adhesive before use. Apply over the entire surface. Primed surfaces must be reprimed if barrier is not applied to the liquid adhesive within the same working day. Use brush or lamb's wool roller for application. Use 650 WB liquid adhesive for applications at 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius, and above at 350 to 400 square feet per gallon, theoretical coverage rate. Use 650 LT liquid adhesive for applications between 25 degrees Fahrenheit, -4 degrees Celsius, and 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius, at 250 to 300 square feet per gallon, theoretical coverage rate. Installation. One of the most important things to remember about installing the TRM Flash Moisture Termite Barrier is to know exactly where you want to place the barrier onto the sill, and to place the material exactly. The TRM Flash Barrier membrane forms a strong bond to the sheathing, and it is difficult to reposition once it is in place. Cut pieces of flashing to length as needed, and apply to substrate once liquid adhesive has become tacky. Place flashings with horizontal portion, tied into sill barrier and extending no closer than 1/2 inch from outside edge of horizontal surface. Overlap adjacent sheets a minimum of 2 inches. Lap end joints a minimum of 2 inches. Weather lap flashings on vertical surfaces. Roll flashings firmly into place using hand roller. Apply TRM sealant to horizontal terminating edges on walls, pipes, and other protrusions.